Alright guys, today polpette al sugo, meatballs with tomato sauce, onions, actually half an onion, oil is hot in the pan. We are ready to start the base of our tomato sauce, and then we focus on the meat. 500 grams of mixed beef and pork mince. There we go. The onion is sweating. It's now time to add the tomato passata. We will add this and then we do the meat. In this bowl I have 500 grams of mixed mince. I have 50 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 60 grams of Parmesan hidden there, a bit of parsley, salt and pepper, and that's it, I think. Yeah, and then we mix with the hands, always remember, and then I'll show you what we want. While the sauce keeps cooking at very low heat, remember, we did this job on the meat, right? Now, Aurora, that was an interruption. We're gonna add now some milk in the middle here, not too much, just some milk that is going to release a bit of fat and will make this meat a bit softer. Why are you screaming? Why? You're calling me, okay. That's the milk we added, and now we work on getting this milk absorbed. Okay? This is our chain. Tomato sauce going, I added some parsley. We have the meat ready. Now from here we're gonna extract a ball in the flour and then make it rest a bit here. Okay, this is the result of flour and meatballs. We have more than 30 meatballs. The sauce is bubbling, which means it's ready. So we put one by one the meatballs in here and we let them cook for about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, until they're ready anyway. The smell is phenomenal already. That's it. And now lid on. Let them cook. See you in 20 minutes. I forgot. And of course, stir every now and then. Eh? Stir, otherwise they stick to the bottom. 25 minutes. This is fantastic. I already tried one. Meatball, la metti qua. We open the meatball. Poi. Very soft. This is the milk, huh? Guys, remember the milk is important. Don't listen to the guys who tell you not to use the milk. It's good. And then other thing I'm gonna do, piece of bread. Facciamo una bella scarpetta. Guarda qua. See you guys. That's how it's done in Italian. Meatballs with tomato sauce. You can use this to cook with the pasta, snack, secondo. Ideal for quarantine.